We just had a little morning warm-up, climbing up out of the valley where the C&O is up to the ridge here. We're getting closer to Antietam National Battlefield. We're gonna check that out for the day, and then shortly thereafter head on our way to Harpers Ferry. About 10 o'clock, a little later start today than the day before, but I don't think the place opens till 10 anyway, so. But nice warm up coming up the hills, and cool little waterfall and water crossing as well. Wasn't expecting that. Like a kitty cat. We're at the Visitors Center, the Antietam Battlefield. I tell you, man, we really lucked out with this weather we're having. I mean, we had 3 days of pretty much straight rain, but it's just gorgeous. The sun's out, kind of white poofy clouds in the sky, cool breeze, maybe 70, 75 degrees. It's just perfect riding weather. Just a cool enough breeze to keep it from overheating. It's just awesome. So great weather to enjoy this park at. Check out all the history. Oh yeah, my battery was pretty much all done. I've got a lot of electronics now with my GoPro. Before I was just using my phone, my Garmin, so I've had to charge my GoPro batteries and my phone and my Garmin, so I ran out of juice. I had to go hide my bike behind the building, and found an outlet there, charging my stuff up. Sneaky, sneaky. So we just stopped at the Battlefield Market here right before Antietam. Definitely worth it. They got a breakfast, lunch, and dinner there. A special, what do we have? Hot turkey sandwich and green beans. It was awesome. Definitely worth the stop if you're here. They have all the regular gas station amenities too as well. I stopped here on my last trip as well for lunch. Actually for breakfast. But yeah, if you're here, it's worth it. We're all locked up here at Harpers Ferry, about to cross the river and go into town. Maybe get some ice cream or something. Find a place to charge my battery. I think I've got one good GoPro battery left. So, need to do some charging. There's the stairs to go up to the walking bridge. Whoa. Watch your step.
Step right up. And then watch it.
Ice cream. Alright, we're in Brunswick now. It's about 5 o'clock. Just stopped at this convenience store to stock up on dinner. I got a... what did I get? Because I don't think we're going to be near any towns. I just got an instant cup of noodles and this quinoa salad. Looks really good. And Modelo Chelada. That's for dessert. I'm gonna get everything packed up, and then we're gonna hit the C&O again and find a campsite somewhere, hopefully past the washout. I have to figure out a way to get around that. think we're about a mile or two from the closure. No trespassing. I don't think we can jump that. We'll have to figure a way across. We just teleported over.